Hey everyone! Welcome to our math game called Hide the Beans. So, before I tell you how to play, can I tell you a secret? There's a rumor going around the school saying some first graders have X-ray vision. Yeah, can you believe it? Some first graders can actually see through stuff. Is it you? Hmm. We'll see with today's game. So in front of me, I have 10 beans. Take a look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I want to see if you are one of the students who has X-ray vision. So I'm going to put some beans in my little planter that I found today. Isn't it pretty? I'm going to put some beans in here. Then I want to see if you can tell me how many beans I hide. Okay, close your eyes. No peeking. Open them. How many beans do you think are in my cup? We started with 10, and now there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many can be in here? Did you say 4? How did you know that? Let's see if you're correct. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh my goodness, friends, you're right. 6 and 4 do make 10. All right, okay. Let's try again. Close your eyes. No peeking. Open them. How many beans do you see? You got it. There's 9. So how many are hiding? 9 and what make 10? If you said 1, kiss your brain. Nice job finding that missing part. All right, my X-ray vision friends, close those eyes again. All right, open them. How many beans do you see? I see 2, 4, 6, 8. If we started with 10, there's 8 out here. How many can be in my cup? 8 and 2 make 10. You got it. There were 2 beans that were hiding. Excellent. Close your eyes again. Open them. How many beans do you see? I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If we started with 10, there's 7 beans here. How many could be hiding? Let's see if you're right. There are 1, 2, 3 beans that were hiding. I think it's you that has the X-ray vision. How did you know that? If you said because 7 and 3 make 10, kiss your brain. You also could have done this. 7 in my heart and count up to 10. 7, 8, 9, 10. What was the missing part? 3. We got it. All right, let's do it again. Ready? Close your eyes. How many beans do you see? Open those eyes. I see 1, 2, 3, 4. If we started with 10, there's 4 out here. How many could be hiding? Four and what make 10? I hear you. Let's see if you're correct. There were 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hiding. How did you know? If you said because 4 and 6 make 10, nice job. You also could have put 4 in your heart and counted up to 10, like this. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The missing part was 6. Great work. Close your eyes, my X-ray vision friends. Oops. And open them. How many beans do you see? I see 5, 6. You got it. If we started with 10, there's 6 out here. How many could be hiding? 6 and what make 10? Did you say 4? Let's check your work. 1, 2, 3, 4. How did you know? Is it the X-ray vision? Stop cheating. How did you know 4 was the missing part? If you said because you know 6 and 4 make 10, kiss your brain. You also could have put 6 in your heart and counted on to 10 like this. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What was the missing part? 4. You got it. Okay, close your eyes. How many beans do you see? 1. One lonely little bean. If we started with 10, there's 1 out here. How many could be hiding? I'm hearing some great ideas. Let's see if you are correct. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 beans that were hiding. How did you know? If you said because 1 and 9 make 10, great work. You also could have put 1 in your heart and counted on to 10. Do this one with me. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What was the missing part? 9. Kiss your brains. All right, let's do it again. If your eyes are closed, open them. How many beans do you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If we started with 10, there's 8 out here. How many could be hiding? All right, my X-ray mathematicians, let's see. Are you correct? There were 1, 2 hiding. How did you know? If you said because 8 and 2 make 10, you're right. You also could have put 8 in your heart and counted on to 10. Do this with me. 8, 9, 10. What's the missing part? 2. Kiss your brains. Whew. Well, I'm happy that we solved that mystery. I can tell who has x-ray vision and who doesn't. Just kidding. Excellent job finding the missing part by using our beans. Kiss your brains.